In this video, we're reviewing passportandvisa.org, a private company that provides help with U.S. passport applications. But it's important to know that it's not connected to any government agency. While the site might look official at first glance, especially with its clean, government-style design, it's actually a third-party service that charges users for things they could get for free directly from the U.S. government. One of the biggest concerns is that the site is extremely new. It was only created on January 31st, 2025, so there's very little online history or long-term user feedback to rely on. Despite offering assistance with such sensitive processes, there's no real government endorsement or partnership involved, which could be misleading to people in a rush or unsure of how the official process works. Some users have shared that after paying fees, they simply received pre-filled versions of publicly available forms, raising questions about the actual value being provided. While it's not outright dangerous or proven to be a scam, there are definitely red flags that make this a service worth approaching with caution.